Namaskar, my name is Sanket Gulabpur. My school. This is my school. My school name is Helpis Primary Kokangao. I come to morning 10:30 o'clock. I am wearing to come school bag. I pink school bag. My friend Aman and Sahil. My teacher name Mali sir. My friend reading book. I love my friend my way play cricket. I love my school. Thank you.